Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and TV so the app can communicate. Open the remote app and grant required permissions. This lets the app scan nearby devices. If your phone has an IR blaster, position phone pointing at the TV. If using Wi-Fi, connect both devices to the same network. Once done, select TV as the device type and choose brand or enter the model code so the app can load compatible control profiles. Next, pair and configure the remote profile so controls match the TV. Use the app's auto scan to cycle through codes. Make sure to test power and volume as each code appears. If auto fails, manually enter codes from your TV's manual or the app's code list. Once a profile responds correctly, save it and customize key layout or macros for common tasks like switching inputs. This makes future use faster and reduces fumbling. Finally, verify responsiveness and finalize settings so daily use is smooth. You should see TV respond within 1 to 2 seconds. If not, make sure Wi-Fi is stable or IR path is clear. If some buttons don't work, rescan for alternate codes or try different protocol families in the app. If problems persist, restart the app, reboot the TV, or temporarily switch to manual pairing. This often clears glitches and restores full control quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.